The training management of Qube helps you to create your training calendar and nominate your employees for the training programs. You can also generate the training feedback reports and also the post-effective reports from the manager. So let's see how we can use the training management module. To start with, we need to set the training workflow master for self-nomination. Qube offers you a complete workflow engine. For every department, you can save the workflow, such as who can raise the nomination, who can recommend, who can approve, and who all should receive intimation once the nomination is approved. You can also set the triggers for shooting your reminder mails. Let's show you an example. There are two masters, training category and training subcategory, where you can put the broad headers, such as under behavioral category, you can put the different subcategories like communication skills, leadership skills, etc. And then under each category and subcategory, we can go ahead to add a training program. Now to add a training program, you go to the training program submenu. Click on the Add button to open the form. This is a training program form. We will show you how to add a data. You have to do the selections from the drop downs which comes from your master. Add the training program's name. You can write the objective of the training program or the contents. You can select the from date and to date, the training hours, the maximum participants, the training cost, the training venue, who would be the trainer, is there any post-effectiveness period, if so, after how many months you got to measure it, and scroll down to save the form. So once you have added all the training programs, you can pull out year-wise list of the training programs that you're going to conduct. Now we move on to the training nomination. Let's see how you can nominate an employee for a training program. To nominate an employee, you select the category and subcategory for which you would like to nominate that employee. Select the department of the employee. You get a list of employees in that department. You select the checkbox on the left and save the form. The selected employee gets nominated for the selected training category. As soon as an employee is nominated, an intimation mail goes to the approving authority for recommendation and approval. Let's see how an approving manager can approve a training nomination. Under the header Nomination for Approval, the approving authority can see the list of employees who have been nominated for the training programs. Now to approve, he clicks on the checkbox, puts his remarks, and saves. As soon as the manager saves, the name of the employee disappears from the nomination for approval. We are in training plan now. All the approved nominations get saved under the training plan. Now here you can see under each category and subcategory the number of employees who have been identified for a training program. You have to first select the training program under each category and save it, and then further select the employees for that training program. So click on the number. You'll see the list of employees identified. Now to assign the training program, you select the checkbox and click on Assign. The assigned employees' names will appear in the training calendar. Now if you want to find all the training programs between a selected period, you can go to Training Search, select the period and click on Show. You get a list of programs under a particular category and subcategory. You can click on the program name to check the details of the program. Now we will show you how you can publish your training calendar and send mail to all the participants who have been selected. This training calendar can also be viewed by the employees under the self-service portal on the intranet or the landing page. To send mail to the participants, you need to click the checkbox on the left and click on the send mail button to send mail to all the participants. On the day of the training program, you can mark the attendance for the participants. For marking the attendance, you select the training program and click on the show button. You will see a header and it's written click to see. Once you click on the header, you get the list of participants. On the right hand side, there's a checkbox which you need to click and save the form. As soon as the attendance is marked, the feedback forms for the training program gets generated. To view the feedback form, you need to go on Training Feedback Form menu. Click on the right hand side icon below the feedback form header. The participants fill up the feedback form by choosing the option and scroll down to save the form. Once saved, you get all the feedback forms under the Training Feedback Form menu. Now, to track whether all the employees have filled up the feedback form or not, you can go to the Training Feedback Form report. When you click on the show button, you get the list of the participants who have attended the training program, and along with that the status, whether feedback form has been filled or not filled. And besides that column, you also have a send reminder option. So when you click on send reminder, reminder mails goes to the participant. So this is all about training management module, right from training nomination to the generation of feedback form. Thanks for